Mixed conditionals. Conditionals always include an if clause and a result clause. Normally, each clause uses a specific verb form and refers to the same time period in both clauses. However, in mixed conditionals, each clause may refer to a different tense or time. One part in the past, one part right now. This typically occurs within the second conditional and the third conditional. Here are some examples. Number 1. If she had enough time, she could have learned to speak Chinese. So in the beginning, we're talking about right now. And then in the second part, we're talking about the past. Next, if I were you, so that's right now, I would be going on a vacation to Europe in the future. If I weren't having dinner with my mom, I would have gone to the party. So it means later today I will have dinner with my mom. That's why I didn't go to the party maybe 1 hour ago. Next, if I were having this conversation tomorrow, I would be even more stressed out. So right now, I am stressed out. Next example. If I had eaten healthier and exercised more, I wouldn't be so overweight now. So in the beginning, we're talking about the past. Right now, I'm overweight. Next, if I had known you were planning to come over tomorrow, I would be at home then. Example sentences. If she had more money, she would have paid off her debts. Notice that word debt. There is no B sound. It sounds like D-E-T-S. If I were you, I would be trying to start a business. If I weren't studying until very late last night, I would have been more awake at breakfast. If I were watching this game next week, I would be much happier. If I had drunk more water, I wouldn't be dehydrated. If I had been told you'd be there, I would be there.